Hi everyone, it's Robin Dudley House, the Artsy Bohemian. I am going to be teaching a new in-person class. I'm going to turn my fan down just a sec here. On October 10th for the spooky season, this fun do it in a day junk journal, and it literally is made with junk mail. We're going to be making the front, all of the items that you see in this journal will be provided to you for the most part in class. A lot of Tim Holtz, a lot of unusual findings, vintage and new laces. We're going to be making a master board in the beginning of class so that you can use it to decorate your pages. We're going to be making pockets, some funky page holders, some tip-ins, pockets made from envelopes. If you've never made a junk journal, this is a great class for you, especially if you love the spooky season. And if you have made junk journals, this would be a fun opportunity to come to the new space that I've been teaching at in Huntington Beach, California. Page climbers, more pockets. I'd love to have you in class. And also go over some resin ornaments. And this really cute envelope on the back. I made two. You're also going to get this cool little broom that I made from Vintage Millinery. So this one's exactly the same. So each journal is going to be a little different because, you know, Tim Holtz has lots of different people. And also because your master board is going to look different than everybody else's. So it's the same layout. It's just a different look. Everyone will be just a little bit different look. That's just something I drew. So much fun. I'm so excited for the spooky season to come. And yeah, it's going to be October 10th. I'm going to leave the link down below. Registration is open. You're going to get some fun vintage ephemera, hidden paper clips. So these, like I said, these two are the same layout, but you can tell that they're a little bit different with images that I used and some different types of laces. So I hope to see you in class. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you